Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show and explain a benefit to those of you that have a second set of wheels and tires with sensors in them for the GR Corolla. So the GR Corolla actually has the ability to hold in its memory two different sets. So if you have a set of winter tires and wheels and your regular summer tires and wheels, you can actually put both of them in a memory and select between them and easily change if you have even a third set. Can't hold three in its memory, but this is a very simple thing to do, and I wanted to go ahead and show everybody how to do that real quick so that they can take advantage of this feature. It's something that I haven't seen a lot of people talking about, and for those of us that are in areas that have especially snow and winter and you have that second set, it's a fantastic feature. I wish all of my other cars did that also. So this is very simple and you don't need any special tools. So let me show you how. We'll start by hitting your OK button here. Push and hold that. Oh, let's get this out of the way here. And then toggle this switch right here. You're going to toggle it down until you see settings, and then you're going to push on this again to select it, and then you're going to toggle all the way down until you see vehicle settings. Then go ahead and push that again. Then you're going to come down to TPWS setting, go ahead and push, and then you're going to come down to tire set switching. So go ahead and push again, and then you're going to register a new valve or ID, and you're going to push on that. And this is where you can select. So on mine, tire set 1 is my summer set, and tire set 2 is my winter set. So you're going to select, if you're adding a new one, go to number 2, and then push that. And then all you have to do from that point on is to drive. So start driving. You need to drive and get up to a relatively higher speed. And once you do that, it will go ahead and put that in a memory. So, as I said, on my tire set 1, that is my OEM set. And then on tire set 2 is my winter set. So now I can toggle between those two as I need them. So I hope that helps. Any questions or anything like that, please holler. And that's just another really nice feature that the GR Corolla has. So anyway, if that helps you guys out, I sure appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to the channel. And until I see you next time, see you down the road. One last thing too that I want to mention here before I let you guys go is when you set this up, make it so that you're going to drive forward so that it can start the process of learning the sensors. If you drive backwards, from what I understand, it will actually reset and you might have to start over again. So what I did is I drove down, I was getting ready to head into town, and I pulled over, I did it real quick, and then I continued on my way and went onto the highway. You need to drive a little faster speed. So do something where you're not gonna be just in town, and you can go onto a road that's probably gonna give you at least 45 miles an hour. So anyway, hope that helps.